If you're really into tropical plant vibes and appreciate vibrant colors, then you're gonna wanna stick around because I'm gonna share some really unique and colorful plants with you that you can add a pop of color to your plant collection or outdoor landscape. Hey everyone, if you are just joining me, here we talk and do planty things, so if that interests you, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss out when I post new videos. I'm JaiyCee and today's garden topic is bromeliads. To be quite honest with you, I didn't quite appreciate bromeliads until I started seeing all of the vibrant and unique cultivars showcased in my good friend Todd's landscaping. He has been quite instrumental in developing my love for these plants, which is good and bad because I have to admit I am a plant collector through and through, and there are thousands of these plants in this family, not to mention all the different hybrids. So your girl's wallet is already burning. You can find him here on Instagram. As you can see, his entire feed is just full of color. Visiting his IG wall is like going on a mini tropical vacation. No joke, I absolutely love it. Not to mention, I've actually gotten to tour his own personal landscape twice, and it's even better in person. Let me show you.
Hey, good morning everybody. This is Todd over at Campus Landscape in Tampa, Florida. Also founder of Co-Brand Outdoors and Campus Botanical Society. Welcome to our botanical gardens and my laboratory. You'll see a lot of the plants in our back gardens here are not in the ground, and that's because we like to test different environments, whether they're shaded, heavy sun, filtered sun, and we do this intentionally so that before we design a certain species into a project, we know which habitat it's going to work the best in, or which lighting scenario. These bromeliads that you're looking down below are Neoreglia tequila, and some of the ones that are out here to the front or further away from the shade have more red in them and a brighter yellow. That's just a good example of how lighting can impact the overall look of these different bromeliads, especially. Right now they're underneath the canopy of a very cool tropical dwarf. It's actually a large bush or small tree. Many of you may know it as Pride of Barbados or the dwarf poinciana tree. This is a mature, already flowered up Neoreglia Hawaii. It's a gorgeous species. Gets a bright white center when it gets into flower, to like a lime colored, and then to a variegated orange and lime, goes to orange, and then on the lowest parts, I've already cleaned a lot of it off, but they were very deep red. So you get that full spectrum of colors on this one. Neoreglia Hawaii. All right, so over here we have last Sunday's project. Some friends of ours through Instagram over on the East Coast at Blooming Freedom had given me some inside knowledge on the best way to make a clean mount of these epiphyte bromeliads. And if you want, I'll even expose that secret a little bit. I've got some Spanish moss that I put into these just to kind of cover, but you can see on the stem that runs between them, which is called the stolon, there is a fencing nail or a staple. In some of those I had to widen the prongs, but you set it up there tack it in one or two places to hold it upright. Cover it up with a little Spanish moss. And voila, you've got a botanical garden growing vertical. Lots of different varieties on here. I won't try to name them all. This is the one I can't pronounce. It's an Acmea. I'm gonna butcher it, but we'll go with Corea Aureo, something like that. Corina Aureo? Aurelio. All right. So, but anyway, it's a fantastic species. There's a bloom about to come out. This is the Neoreglia guacamole. This one is an Acmea Nuticulus Red Brazil. Another guacamole, and then up at the top with the striping on those are the Acmea Fosteriana.
So if you're looking to change out your landscape for more vibrant, colorful plants, not to mention low maintenance, and you're in the Tampa Bay area, check out Todd from Campus Landscape. Him and his crew are doing some really unique things with gardenscapes, and tell him I sent you. All right, now let's get to the unboxing portion of this video, which is probably why you clicked on the title. I got my order from Brilliant Bromeliads. They are also local here to Florida, and they do offer shipping. You can also find them here on Instagram or online at brilliantbromeliads.com. So let me open this up and show you what I got. All right, so I purchased 3 plants in my order, and you'll have to excuse me on the names because I'm still familiarizing myself with all 3,000 of these plants in this family, so I may not know how to pronounce these names correctly, but I will definitely throw up the name on the screen. Okay. Oh, it looks like she packed some extra goodies in my order because there are there are 5 plants in this box and I only ordered 3. I am so excited. All right, let me open one of these. Let's see here. Ooh, okay, this is one I did order, and I'll throw the name up on the screen. So this is the Neurogelia Super Aztec, Neo for short. I believe it is a mini. I am really in love with the mini bromeliads because they're just so compact, and I love the form. Oh my goodness, take a look at those colors. The burgundy and the green just contrast so well together. And the spots are just so vibrant. Oh, I love it. All right, so one of the really cool things about these plants is that even though this looks a little wilty, if you put it in some soil and give it a good water in about a day or so, it will perk right back up because they are very hardy. All right, so let me show you the rest of them. All right, so the next one is called Neo Tantrum. Oh my goodness. The pink and the banding are just gorgeous. Holy cow, it's gonna look so beautiful once it's potted up. Oh, I'm in love with this pink. All right, the next one. This next one is Neo Hannibal Lecter and Cheers. I believe it's a cross between the two. so cute and compact. Take a look. The contrast between the colors is so vibrant. They are so gorgeous. And I am falling in love with all these colors. All right, so those were the 3 that I purchased, and these 2 are the goodies that she sent me. One is called Neo Wine and Gold. And let's open this one up. Oh, hello. Oh, it's so cool because this kind of seems like it's the opposite of this one. This one is like a burgundy with green spots, while this one is green with burgundy markings. All right, and this last one, it's just labeled Neo Hybrid. Oh, take a look. Take a look at those colors. Oh, it looks gorgeous. It looks so beautiful, guys. Oh, I can't wait to pot it up. Well, guys, I guess that's it for this video. I wanted to thank Todd from Campus Landscape and Brilliant Bromeliads for sending me 2 extra plants in my plant order. I'm going to link all the information in the description box below, so check them out. Also, if you guys have any plant questions or just want a plant chat, you can leave a comment in the space below. You guys can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook when I am not making videos. I am taking pictures as there is always something new growing. And as always, thanks for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!